Hey, what's up, traders? This is our watch list video for Halloween, Thursday, October 31st. Starting off with the SPY here, we're basically sitting again at all-time highs. Today was FOMC day, and this is 5-minute candles kind of showing you where the chaos started, but we ended up with a pretty strong close. I'm going to slide over the screenshot of BGFV, which is Big 5 Sporting Goods. Looked really good in the afternoon when it got up here near the highs, right? Near the 350 area. I generally don't like to buy something that's climbed like this for 20 minutes straight. So what I look to do, as it pulled back, it basically retested the early high. We're getting into the afternoon, so I told everybody this daily chart's going to look pretty darn good. I wanted to buy this pullback right there in the middle of that buy zone. So if you haven't watched our webinar, I put out a video on it yesterday. If you haven't watched our free webinar on how we buy intraday pullbacks, this was a really nice example of it. I literally bid at 337. It went down to 336. So I got filled like a penny from the lows there and then sold into this spike. And quick $721 in this trade alone in the afternoon. And that just met all the parameters, everything we teach in that buy zone or that pullback seminar. It's free. The webinar is free. So check it out. Anyway, back to the SPY. Closed basically at all-time highs. What are we watching for tomorrow? Speaking of Big 5 Sporting Goods, there's a breakout. I was a little, I don't know, dismayed that it didn't close stronger. I would have preferred a strong close, but absolutely huge volume. Nice close, nicely above the open. So certainly worth watching for a red to green tomorrow. I was hoping for a better close. Spotify had this big pop, quiet inside day, a nice third day play, and actually closed really strong. So I want to watch that one for potential long tomorrow. That's SPOT. ACRS, quiet inside day. I like it over today's high, which was $1.90. Then you've got another catalyst of a break of yesterday's high, $1.95. Then the whole number 2, which it hit right here, and then 208, which it hit right here. So you have a kind of a cup and handle stacked catalyst scenario. To me, the first trigger tomorrow would be over 190, today's high. All right, so that one's kind of interesting. Crocs, very big breakout today and a pretty strong close. We're going to watch that for a follow-through day. Johnson & Johnson gapped up on, I don't know, they did a sample and found no asbestos in however many things of baby powder. So closed below its open, but maybe tomorrow we get a big breakout. A lot of shorts probably caught here because this thing was really beaten up. And with good news, maybe we make a run at the 200-day tomorrow. So I want to keep that one on close watch. XNet, very nice bounce today. I did make a call on this one today, switching to 5-minute candles right there. Right over this early flag, right? It popped early. I don't ever take a trade on an overnight, on the watch list video like in the first 5 minutes, but it did a nice flag. I literally called it right there. And it had a pretty nice move. I'm going to watch it for a follow-through day tomorrow, all right? Tesla. Let me go. That doesn't look right. I typed it wrong, that's why. Tesla, there it is. Had the big breakout here, nice secondary play, and now we're a few days lower. Certainly worth watching for a bounce play tomorrow. Etsy, ETSY. All right, so I already want this on bounce watch because it's down 3 days in a row. It looks like had some action in after hours, so my guess is it had earnings. And as I'm talking, after hours is almost over. It's trading at 48.52. So down here, right? So you already had 3 days down, and the most recent low is right around 48. So I'm going to watch this tomorrow for a potential bounce play, especially if it opens down there. SES had this big pop yesterday, quiet inside day today, so it goes on long watch tomorrow. And then same with BIMI because those two trade together. Had a nice bounce yesterday, and today a quiet, low volume inside day. And then lastly, NAVB had the gap up, ended up lower, and another day lower. This one we're going to look for it to turn back up tomorrow, only with a proper intraday setup. Let me glance at Apple real quick. Closed at 243.26. It looks like after hours it went over 250 at one point, and as I'm talking right now, 240, almost 248. So a gap up tomorrow in Apple. That's probably going to help the market too. So anyway, I'm going to take this watch list. We're going to add some gappers in the morning to this list and hopefully catch some good trades again. I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat tomorrow.